required weekly tests for the following areas in extreme southwestern California: Orange County, Riverside County, San Bernardino County, San Diego County, and the coastal waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators. These are the 11 a.m. observations for the Coachella Valley area. At the Palm Springs International Airport, it was sunny. Temperature was 60 degrees, dew point 28, and the relative humidity 29%. Wind was northwest at 3 miles an hour. Pressure was 30.21 inches and falling. At the Thermo Airport, it was sunny. Temperature was 58 degrees, dew point 30, and the relative humidity 34%. Wind was calm. Pressure was 30.21 inches. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a required weekly test for the following areas. It was sunny, with a temperature of 55 at Mexicali, 58 at Yuma, and 49 at Live. At Baby El Centro, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. The test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators.